You gotta go back and then tap at angles.
Those trucks are freaking sweet.
Thanks, man.
Really sweet.
Thanks.
Y'all have fun.
All right, we will. Iron Man look like he's already kind of tilted to the side.
Yeah,
Frozone is on there.
your Frozone's on.
Yeah, watch out for that donkey.
I'm looking for it. I didn't know what it was.
We're gonna take it along this line where we took the other trucks a couple weeks ago.
Yeah.
Down there. Let's crank up the speed a little bit, get out of the crawl mode. You see how it's forming? Kind of forming already?
Yeah. Nah. When do you kick it into crawl mode?
When we get down there.
I see how it's already starting to form.
Yep.
And the leaves are like everywhere. So.
Yeah.
Did you click yours into crawl mode?
Why are you paying attention? Cause you about to run into me. All this space, how you about to run into me?
Kicked into crawl mode.
Why you come back towards me? I think you got like a branch under yours or something. Are you looking underneath your body? Are you clear? Okay. Mine's on fast mode now.